Welcome back, guys. Daily on Supercars. We got a special little toy here. We got an RX7, and you guys got to see this purple. This purple is alive under this sun. I hope you can catch it, my brother. What's happening? What's your name again?
Andy.
Andy, talk to me about this bad boy. What year is this car?
So it's 1993 Mazda RX7. Bought it. When I bought it, it needed to be restored. So me and my partner took it in the shop. And what's really special about this car was this was my best friend's choice right before he died. So that's his Instagram right there on the number plate, Too Short. And the purple is inspired by him. And my other business partner is the R34 Midnight Purple Stage 3. We got the work wheels.
You said work wheels?
Work wheels. And then we did the full 99 spec kit. You can't really tell, but if you look around here to the rear.
Let me catch his wheels though. Yeah, this car, the stance that this car has right now, it's pretty good. It's not, you're not overdoing it. It's like, it's on point with the body of the car. It's pretty good.
So that's what I wanted to tell you next. So this car is a semi-wide body. So semi-wide body, meaning that all these fenders and quarter panels are cut and widened 2.5 inches more. So if you look over here at the gas cap, you'll actually tell that the gas cap is actually sitting all the way in. And these
so you telling me that you brought the car out a little bit more?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. This job is pretty good, pretty well done. Because the car looks factory to me.
Yeah.
But I see that you said that the gas cap, it's a little in, so you said that the watt is standing out. Wow.
Correct.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Again, if you didn't tell me that, the car looks pretty stock to me. Talk to me. What else have you done to the car?
So far we just did body and paint. Over the winter, when it's cold season again, we're gonna rip the whole motor out, drivetrain, and we're gonna start building it. We're trying to get at least 500-600 horsepower out of it. Currently it's on a single turbo setup, stock fuel system, so we're gonna start throwing more power at it and see where we go from there.
Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And how much, you got any numbers on power?
Numbers right now, it's making 320 tuned by Wayne speed.
320. Okay,
yeah.
that's don't get confused, guys. Don't get next to him and think you guys got it. And I know the car is pretty light. It's a pretty nice car. It's a pretty nice car. What you done to the interior?
Interior is stock right now. That's why the tints are so dark.
Okay. I see you got a bar there.
Yeah, it's a full resto. So we're just working on the interior now, and that's also for the winter project. Gotcha. So you said all this you got for the future, basically. Yeah. This is what you want to do for the future. And what's your horsepower range you're trying to go with it? 500-600. 500-600? Yeah.
Something light.
Something light, and then we're gonna have 2 different wheel setups. Obviously, these stretch tires and stuff, more for the shows, and then we'll have a track setup with the TE37s and R888s all around for when we go to the track. Gotcha.
Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, my brother. I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping.
No
guys,
problem.
I just stopped there because he's leaving. I just stopped there. I'm like, I gotta get the car on. I appreciate it. Thank you much.
All right, later, bro.